This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Gina Dempsey. Call Gina Dempsey for all your info on this great 3/2 home. 321-427-1254 Great home across from Kelly Park. Public boat ramp, great park with lots to do, kayaking, boating, and more. This 3-bedroom 2-bathroom home has updated granite countertops, roof is less than 5 years old, extra large screened back porch with lake view and room for pool. There is a concrete privacy fence on one side of property and also has a screened front porch. Large size master with walk-in closet along with formal living dining room and a family room. This home is perfect for retired couple wanting to boat, enjoy the river and amenities, or young family wanting to have great neighborhood that has lots of kids and families to enjoy. You are very close to all the fun at Port Canaveral and beaches, also exit close to Orlando. For more